Hi guys, David here from MarineMax Miami, and I want to welcome you aboard this 2024 Sea Ray SDX 270. Right over here powering this boat, we have the Mercury Verado 300 horsepower outboard engine. It pushes this boat along really well. As we move a little bit more forward, we have our swim platform that has a ladder that comes out into the water, and it's covered in this gray sea deck flooring to match the seats. Sea deck is great because it doesn't get hot on those warm summer days, and it's nice and soft to the touch. As we make our way into the boat, we have this wonderful sun pad. This sun pad is great for laying out, sun tanning, or just watching the kids play in the water. Behind that, we have our ski tower, our ski pole here. And what this ski pole does, allows you to attach anything like tubes, rafts, to pull those along and have a great day out on the water. As we make our way into the boat, this interior is called stone, and it matches our black hull really well. As you can see, there's a lot of seating towards the back of the boat to hold lots of family members, friends, and anybody you want to bring along for the day out on the water. Above me, we have our sports tower with our bimini top. It provides lots and lots of shade, and it looks great. As we make our way towards the helm, right here at the helm, we have our Simrad display. This Simrad display will show you your Mercury vessel view to give you all your engine data, as well as your GPS, and it'll be your depth finder. It makes everything really easy and simple to use. We have all our controls for the boat here, as well as our throttle right here, which controls all our engine functions. On the other side, we have a co-captain seat that matches the helm seat as well, and we have our head. This head allows you to spend longer days out on the water with just that convenience and functionality from this great day boat. As we make our way out towards the bow, we have two beautiful sun loungers out here, along with stainless steel grab handles on the side, and we have these two great armrests that make everything nice, snug, and comfortable. Lastly, we have our windlass anchor right at the bow of the boat. It makes anchoring out at the sandbar super easy. All you have to do is lower and raise the anchor with just the push of a button. We have showers at the front and at the back of the boat, along with a foldable windshield right across. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask and come and see us here at MarineMax Miami. That way we can help you get out on the water.